firstly, you want to make sure that you don't have the beta enabled, as you can see down here. Second, you want to go direct download and just simply download it directly. Press run anyway. Just keep pressing OK until you get through. Don't need to create a desktop shortcut. You're gonna have to install a version of Windows Net. I already have mine installed. You will be prompted to download yours if it's not detected. You're also going to need to download a WinPCAP, but that will also run itself if you don't have it installed. You're more than likely going to have to remove it from your antivirus, assuming you have only Windows security. And settings, you're down here. Solutions. You want to do folder. You want to exclude an entire folder. Go down to your this PC. It's going to be in your program files. And choose Octosniff and just do the entire folder. And once it's excluded and you run it, you're going to choose basically just your Wi-Fi. If you're going to be running it on a VPN, it's going to show up as a tap Windows adapter V9. If you go to your advanced network settings on your computer, either depending on the name you gave it, mine is Ethernet 2, so it would pop up in this as Ethernet 2, it'd be this one right here.